Boston Skyways, good evening. Cessna 13151, just west of the Needham antennas with a request.
Boston Skyways, that's November 13151.
Yes, sir, good evening. We were wondering if we could take the Mass Pike into the city to about the Mass Pike Bridge at 1,800.
November 13151, Boston Skyways, squawk code 5147 and ident.
5147 and ident 13151.
United 176, Boston Tower, cross runway 4 left, then contact ground, point 9. November 13151, Boston Skyways, say your altitude.
Currently 1,900.
November 13151, Boston Skyways, cleared into Boston Bravo airspace as requested. Maintain VFR at or below 1,800.
At or below 1,800, cleared into the class Bravo 13151. Thank you, sir.
November 13151, Boston, altimeter 3015.
3015, 13151. That's beautiful.
And November 13151, are you familiar with the LNG TFR?
Negative, sir.
861 Charlie, monitor tower 132.22.
That's Skyways 13151. What are the restrictions on the LNG?
November 13151, could you say your intentions again, please?
I would just like to come in out to the near the Prudential and then be a course reversal outbound.
Alright, November 13151, you should remain south of the LNG TFR. I will advise you if you are getting too close.
Alright, thank you, 13151.
Eagle Flight 4617, Boston Tower, cross runway 4 left, taxi to runway 9 by Echo Mike. Cactus 2140, Boston Tower, cross runway 4 left, then contact ground, point 9. Eagle Flight 4617, monitor tower 132.22. Piedmont 4193, turn left heading 350, runway 4 left, cleared for takeoff. Brickyard 3427, Boston Tower, taxi to runway 9 via Bravo, Mike.
Skyways 13151, it'll make a right turn course reversal back towards the Needham antennas. Thank you very much for your help.
Eagle's one of them.
Calling tower, second, please.
Pleasure, 13151, we're making a right-hand turn course reversal. Mass Pike towards the Needham antennas. Thank you for your help. See the SIGDO sign for Fenway? Yeah. That's great.
November 13151, Boston Skyways. Roger, and stand by, please. Eagle Flight 4551, Boston Tower, 1010 at 4, runway 4 left, cleared to land. And November 13151, proceed northwestbound out of Boston Bravo airspace.
Northwest, class Bravo 13151.